Okay, everybody, welcome back to Drums Equal Joy. I'm David, and today we're going to do a couple of paradiddle exercises. We talked last week about the paradiddle, basic right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left pattern. And today, instead of just doing it on one single drum, we're going to break it up into 4 different drums. You can see my wonderful 4 different drums here, these little books on my table. And what we're going to do today is every time the right hand's going to start on this drum and go to this drum, and it's going to alternate. But I'm also going to be playing the pattern of the paradiddles. And the left hand's going to be going between this drum and this drum, okay? But remember, we're going to keep that paradiddle, the single, single, double, double, single, single, double, double. So let's play it at a slow tempo. It's going to go something like this. Okay, I played the paradiddle and I switched between each one. Now I'm going to try and speed it up a little bit. Remember, we're alternating every time here, so it's going to go something like this. Okay, that was the paradiddle. Now, remember we talked also about the inverted paradiddle. Remember, that's right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left. So I'm going to do the same pattern. I'm going to keep going back and forth between my hands, these 2 books. So on the inverted paradiddle, let's start off slow. It's going to be something like this. Okay, that was the inverted paradiddle. All right, for the final one, remember we talked about the reverse paradiddle. That's where we start off with double, double, single, single, double, double, single, single. So we'll go right, right, left, left, right, left. But I'm also going to be going back and forth between these 2. So starting off slow, it's going to be something like this. Okay, that was the reverse paradiddle, double, double, single, single. And it's really interesting. I wish I had my whole drum set here, but we got to make do with what we have. So here are my 4 drums. Now, I'm just going to jam out a little bit and try different patterns of it. And you can hear kind of what I'm doing, seeing what I'm doing. Here we go. Kind of messed that one up at the end. That's all right. I was doing the reverse paradiddle. Let's try that again. Okay, that was the reverse. Let's try. Let's try and do the inverse one. Very difficult. That was the inverse one. So I hope you enjoyed today's mini lesson, Drums Equal Joy. I'm David, and that was our basic lesson over paradiddles, inverted paradiddles, reverse paradiddles, and how you can split them up around the drum kit. And next week, next lesson, we're going to get into that, maybe shifting with some other drums, some other patterns. I love having patterns within patterns, and we'll explore that some more. Thank you. And make sure you subscribe and hit the bell, hit the like button when you subscribe. Have a good one.